Midway, I'll be happy. If I can get to the very top, I'll be ecstatic.
I say you disaster this. He has to backflip today.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So you're psychotic.
No. If I can get midway, I'll be happy. If I can get to the very top, I'll be ecstatic.
I say you disaster this. He has to backflip today.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So you're psychotic.
No.
Hey. 95% of the time.
Poor guys.
It's like you're trying to film a video and Dan is always somewhere just
Zipping around on an electric bike, talking about his heel.
Hey, you inspired me to hit the jump early, okay? What do you want from me?
Everything.
Well, this is your first time, the Braillehouse 2.0. And if you look behind you, we have a brand new, beautiful, 16-foot high, 8.5-foot transition wall ride right there.
Is it 16?
It is 16.
It's not like my baby over here, though.
This
that
is
gets
16 also,
neglected.
you said.
This is also 16, so they're the same height. That one's just wider and
Yeah.
the transition is a little bigger.
It does, like, the fact that you were telling me that earlier, it does, now that I stand right here, it looks way bigger, bro.
It does. I don't know what kind of forced perspective is
Just
going on here.
neglected.
But that one right there
My baby's neglected.
does not look as big as that one.
No,
No, not at all.
or it's pretty anymore.
Just forgot, like the 5 there.
Well, we're here today to put Raymond to the test because we had him do the highest wall ride over here on this one, and now we're gonna have him do the same thing over here. And we're also gonna put some of our team members to the test. Glow, Mogs, Nigel, you guys are gonna see how high you can get on the scooters as well.
Yes.
$5 if you can beat me.
Ooh.
Keep the 5. So, based on your just first initial thoughts on it, how high do you think you can get?
Well, I know on this one we went pretty high.
Didn't you try to like plant on that or
I
something
tried
like
to
that?
disaster the top. We got close. I got my wheel over, but then I like at one point pushed off and almost front flipped to flat. So that was a little nerve wracking.
Okay.
But
I'm not gonna lie, I think you might be able to get it on this one.
I'm gonna try to get up there. At the very least, I'd like to get at least like midway between the top dot and the very, very top of the wall ride. If I can get midway, I'll be happy. If I can get the very top, I'll be ecstatic.
If you land a disaster on that wall, I'll literally go home. I'll go home. Could you imagine that though?
No, because I'm looking at it and I'm like, I'm gonna not go anywhere near that high. Like, you're out of your mind. Like, all right.
We'll give it a shot.
I say we put a wager on this.
What's the wager?
I say you disaster this, he has to backflip today.
Is it? Hey, that's a
Kind of a fair deal.
that's a
That's-
pretty fair one, I think.
It's pretty fair.
Because I already got wrecked on it last time.
What was that?
And I'll hit the bump to bar with the scooter.
Oh, the bump to bar. The bump to bar.
I was kind of shook. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, now we got a job to do. Now we have a job to do. Nigel has officially agreed to try a backflip on a scooter on the launch ramp to the top of the 3 block once we move the blocks if I can get the back D on the top of the vert wall. And he looks so happy about it. Look how happy Nigel looks right now. Look at the smile. It's so big.
I just want to do it now.
Should we, yeah, should we just set it up just so you can at least peep it? Let's do that. Because we gotta move this anyway.
All right, so we pardon that interruption. We had to set up the backflip because I'm pretty sure Nigel's gonna have to do it.
You might.
He might have
You
to
might.
do it.
We're gonna see.
So we have it all set up, but now we're gonna go ahead with the wall ride challenge. We have our guys over there scared out of their boots, except for Nigel. So I think just start mellow.
Yeah.
Start mellow, maybe do a few tricks, and then once you feel comfortable, start boosting.
We'll do it. Let's do it. I'll get a couple flippers on it as well.
Okay. I also saw you standing up there.
Yeah.
What were you doing?
I was checking the top, dude, because I remember on that side, the beam is what got us. There's no beam on this one, which is a plus.
There's no beam. This one's also a little bit farther out from the wall.
That's why I was checking too. I was checking to see like how much clearance I had, how much of that back wheel I can get up there without basically punching the wall and coming out this way, because that would be really, really bad.
It would be.
And the video would probably be over.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna do that.
You got it.
Boys.
How high is that?
You aired completely above the line.
Well, yeah, that was the goal.
That was sick though.
I'm trying to get to like the second or the third bottom dot.
Yeah. Bro, stop.
Leave it up to Dan. I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Let me see you.
Me?
Yeah,
Dude, honestly, I'm probably gonna get bodied going 3 feet in the air.
that's okay.
Honestly, I don't even know which way I ride a scooter.
You got it.
Hey, they didn't even try it yet. All right. At least I did it first tee.
Yeah? Get it, get it, get it! Paul.
Does it land it?
Lean forward. Lean forward.
All right. And the going up?
Yeah. Not too far.
Well, I was going up and I was leaning that way when I went up, but I forgot to let go. And I mean, not let go, but
You
turn
can
that
do
way.
it.
All right.
You could do it.
All right. All right.
Hey, buddy, guy, you got it.
I thought you were gonna say you've been skating your whole life, but I was gonna say this is scooting.
There you go.
I did. I cheated, but I got it. I held it with the brake. My hands were sweating. My bad.
Sir, it is all you.
Young Glow.
Young Glow. Yeah, my voice figured it out.
Always. Always.
The green top,
Always.
on the full top, the Braille. Man, got the exclusive Braille though. Hey, you don't play, do you? Tweakage, a little tweakage.
That was the best one right there.
You know all the trees? No? You do? Reminds me of something.
Dan.
Nice on that one. Okay. Let the pro go now. All right, we'll get a couple.
Now watch this insanity. Oh, now he wants to be limping. You peep his little nose manual on the box right here, just like a little like nose manual on the top of that, just like nonchalant. That's hard.
Here's the nose manuals for you. I heard you say it.
How?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So you're psychotic.
No. Wow, it's way too fast for a flare. I was gonna get wrecked.
It's ridiculous. I don't understand.
Yo, I don't know, man. That's a tough one to get to the very top of. Yeah, fine. That was a big section. That was the middle?
Your hell far up there.
That's a tough one, dude. This whole thing right here.
Your reaction was priceless.
Huh? Oh! I think I can get it. Can I see that one really quick? Sorry, I just want to see like where my playroom is. Oh, yeah. We got that. It's quite the fall down.
Basically. Oh, that was
I chipped it.
Where? You
See
chipped
that?
it right in the middle. There's a little chip where you touched it.
I chipped it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Okay. You were there.
Oh yeah, you were there.
You touched it.
You were there,
That
boys.
was the one!
Okay.
Wait. Oh wait, that was just for me. I'm not screaming, I got too loud. Sorry.
Slide. I boofed it. Yeah, I tried to get to my knees at all costs. Dang, dude, it's hard, like, just floating. Yeah, it's hard to just stay stuck to it, like stay on the actual wall. It's so easy to like pop out. We'll get it. Dang it!
That was it!
Dang it! Dang it! I can do it. You really like a backflip. I think I figured it out. Dang it. Tire tap, like right below it. That was it. No, he tire tapped. You got the photo. It's a tire tap. Look at. If you zoom in, his tire is like literally like right there.
If it ain't in
That was like a split inch.
If it ain't in slow motion, I don't want it.
Hey Dan, watch this.
Wait.
Pretty sure.
It looked like it, 100%.
Yo, you getting real over, that counts. I don't care what you tell me. Bruh. Watch that angle. I couldn't really see it. Oh, that was it.
You did it, my dog.
That was it.
You did it. That was it? That was insane. Let me see. One more time. I think it maybe like clipped a little.
No, that looks like you did it.
That's
Is that it?
Look.
If you guys say it's it, I'm good with it.
Do you feel like that was it?
I don't know.
Nigel, look at it. Because you're the one that's impacted by this the most.
He was in there. Look. And he came out.
Let me review the play.
In there. And he was
In there?
You know, you're a real jerk. You know that,
I did
right?
it?
You're a real jerk.
Yes, I'm done. I don't have to do it anymore. Oh, thank God. That took forever, dude. Look at my hair. I'm sweating up a damn storm, bro. Oh. Thank God. I'm over that. I'm not doing that ever again on this thing. That thing took me out quite a few times. Jeez Louise.
All right, well, a bet is a bet. The disaster was landed. Nigel's got to do the backflip now.
I thought you were doing a high five, and I saw it, and I just thought I was gonna get let down for a second.
It's all right, we're gonna do it. Let's just do it.
Sorry, I'm really sweaty.
It's okay. Well, that was seriously the highest anyone's ever gone. On any wall ride, anywhere in this Braillehouse, that's it. You just won. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
How do you feel?
Accomplished for sure. I took the better half of like 40 or 50 tries probably.
You took some good slams too,
Yeah,
dude.
we took a few. A couple of them were a little nerve-wracking, a bit of a fall, but we walked away okay. So
Yeah,
I'm
that's what
happy.
matters. He has a YouTube channel, he has an Instagram, all of that stuff will be in the description below, those links. Check him out, support Raymond, he is literally the best.
Homies.
There's some other videos right there, go ahead and check him out, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and Nigel now has to go and tackle that backflip, so let's get it.